Go be great, nigga. You feel me? Go be great, bro. After everything you done been through, after everything that's going on in your life, after all the trials and the tribulations that done contribute to your life, my nigga, it's only right that you go be great, cuz. Diamonds don't break under pressure, my nigga. Pressure is what make diamonds. You feel what I'm saying? Don't be a bitch, my nigga. Don't be a fucking bitch, twin. Go be great, nigga. Go do everything you need to do, twin. You got this shit.
You know you could be the one if you really wanted to, right? You know that, right? But see, you keep playing the what if game. What if it don't work out this? What if it don't work out that? Nigga, what if it do? What if it do work out? Then what? You gonna be happy, right? If you put your head down and lock in on the vision, how could you not win? Only thing that's gonna cause you to lose is your mentality.
There's no hacks, bro. It's you against you. You against you. And if you misunderstand that, you have a real problem.